Okay, welcome to lesson number 2. First thing to remember, algebraic expression does not have an equal sign. It is just a mixture of letters and numbers that describe math. It's not actually a math problem. So if hamburgers come in packages of 8, the expression for the number of hamburgers would be 8 multiplied by p, because there's 8 in every packet, and if you buy 1 pack, it would be 1 times 8. If you bought 2 packs, it would be 2 times 8. So the number of packs we don't know, so that's the variable p. But however many packs there are, we know there's 8 in each. So therefore, if I bought 2 packs, we change p to the number 2 in our math problem, and we have 8 times 2 gives us 16. Copy and complete these down. Sorry, my ugly hand's in the way. Okay, I'm looking for you to make the algebraic expression for each. So P wins $10. A fish tank F loses 2 fish. Bananas B are sold in bunches of 7. A gym membership is $200 plus $3 per visit. Okay, so pause the video right now and copy these down and see if you can figure out the algebraic expression. Okay, welcome back. So if Pete won $10, Pete would have an extra $10. So he's adding 10. If a fish tank loses 2 fish, BF minus 2. Bananas are sold in bunches of 7. 7 multiplied by B, or 7B. Okay, 1 bunch would be 7, 2 bunches would be 14. And finally, a bit more difficult, it's got a bit of math and a variable. A gym membership is $200 plus $3 per visit. So the membership is $200 plus $3 per visit. So if you got that gym membership and you went 1 time, it would be $203. If you got that gym membership and went 10 times, it would be 10 times V. So that'd be 30, so $230. Something you probably noticed from yesterday's math, all my examples were whole numbers, but in the Nelson there was some decimals. So let's just take a look at some of today's lesson with some decimals. Okay, it takes 1.5 minutes to take the garbage out. You do this for W weeks. So write down your algebraic expression. And then finally, I'm going to actually give you the number of weeks. So we're going to do it for 32 weeks. Okay. So you might want to pause it when you're ready, get some work down. And when you're back with me, you'd realize the algebraic expression, if it takes 1.5 minutes every week to do the garbage, we'd be looking at 1.5 W. Okay, if the number of weeks is 32, we'd be dealing with 1.5 times 32, which is going to give us 48. Okay. Copy these down and see if you can answer them as we go along. Okay, so 8b plus 6, going to give you the value of b. It's 5. Okay, so you might want to pause it, copy it down, see if you can answer it. I replace b with 5, 5 times 8 is 40, add my 6, I've got 46. Next example. Okay, p plus 1.5 times 3, and p is worth 2.5. Kind of a trick question, because you see there's addition and multiplication in our problem. We have to do our multiplication first. Okay, brackets, exponents, division and multiplication left to right, addition, subtraction left to right. Okay, so you can see, I'm going to rewrite my problem. I replaced p with 2.5, but I multiplied 1.5 times 3. Okay, so 2.5 plus 4.5 gives me 7. Okay, calculators are really going to help you with this. And finally, one where we've got two variables. 10n, take away m, when n is 3.5 and m is 3.4. So you might want to pause and give it a try. Okay, so I replace my n and my m. My 10 times 3.5 gives me my 35. I subtract my 3.4, I've got 31.6. Okay, give these ones a try. So pause the screen once you have the questions written down. Try them yourself. Okay, we're ready to take them up. So 6w, take away 2, and w is worth 3. What you should have 16. Sorry, I didn't show my work. 6 times 3 is 18. I take away my 2, I got 16. Okay, the second one, 19 take away 2g, when g is equal to 2. Oh, sorry, 2.2. Okay, 2.2 multiplied by 2 gives me 4.4. 19 take away 4.4. That's not right, is it? Should be 14.6. Sorry. It's amazing you spend all this time prepping it and then you get this silly math wrong. I guess that's a lesson to use your calculator, please. Okay, and finally, 9w plus 11z, 9y plus 11z, so y is worth 6, z is worth 3. Okay, so my 9y would give me 54, my 11z, so 11 times 3 is 33. Okay, so 54 plus 33 gives me 87. Okay, so that's today's lesson. So we're focusing on writing algebraic expressions given some word problems, and this is called evaluating. Okay, this isn't solving algebra. This is evaluating, because you're given everything. You don't actually have to figure out the value of g, it's given to you. Okay, and you can see in all of my questions here, there's no equal sign. Okay, so it's not an equation. So this is called evaluating. If I didn't give you this, but I gave you an answer instead, that would be solving algebra. That's what we did yesterday. Okay, so there's slightly different concepts, but you can see they're totally related. So I wish you good luck, and I'll assign a bit of work to go with it as well.